Firstly, I'd like to take you for a look around Sparklers. So firstly, you'll come to our homepage. We have the activities and then a teacher section and then Sparklers at Home. I'll take you through these. If we head to activities, the easiest way for you to use this section is with the filter, because as you can see there's loads of activities, I think around about 80. On the left hand side here we've got the wellbeing topic, and this might be where you go at the beginning of the week to do any planning or any kind of focus area that you have or working on currently. Then the activity type, which is where you kind of just want to shortcut it to a quick game or a worksheet, or if you are in ECE Kaiako and want to look at activities that we think would be useful, they sit here. If we head to the teacher section here, you'll see anything in here that is specific for you. So there's level changing guides and kind of our kind of hints and tips on how to best manage that. There's a bit about Sparklers, how it works, and just some of the questions that we get from teachers regularly. And then we have Sparklers at Home, which is a new part of Sparklers, developed during our bubble time in order to support teachers to in turn support whānau at home with their home learning, and also to directly support whānau who are looking for some fun activities. In here are some of the things that you might just want to add in for some home activities for whānau over school holiday time, over the weekends, or if you've got a particular topic that you're working on, there'll be something in here that will help. Also in here are right down the bottom some guides that are just, I know teachers use them all the time. There's how to help kids keep calm, how to help kids manage worries, and a few others in there as well. And they're great to print off and give out to all tamariki to take home, or give out on those parent-student interview days.